Omaha's Wild Kingdom here. We got a great blue heron stalking a rattlesnake on that hill there. I don't have a zoom, so I can't zoom in for you, but you can notice right there at the you see the blue heron just in front of him and to the right is a rattlesnake. It's a pretty good sized rattlesnake in the grass there, and the heron's been kind of tracking him as the snake moves up that hill into the grass. By the way, I'm recording this right now. That's why I'm narrating.
Well, he came from way down here, so he's been tracking him all the way across that sand.
Yeah.
Wonder why he didn't get him if he was going to get him.
I don't know. He got close there once, and that snake, you saw the rattles go up.
Yeah.
Head caught.
That's what caught our attention, was he was so honed in on it. We're like, well, what does he see? And then we noticed the snake.
Well, as long as the snake keeps the rattlesnake on this side of the island or kills him and takes off to the east, I'm happy. But heron, do not let that snake get anywhere near that little sailboat over there. Okay? You see, that's where I am. And I don't want the snake anywhere near me. So on that point, I'll sign out.